Hello, welcome back dosto. I Kushal Lengole, and in today's topic we are going to see how to create a directories or files by using a command prompt. So in today's topic we are going to see how we can create files and directories by using command prompt. Normally we know how we can create a files in or directories by using a GUI or a graphical user interface. Okay, but normally the peoples are don't know how to create a files or a directory by using a command prompt. So today we are going to see how we can do this by using a command prompt. So for creating directory, we have to use one command of a ms-dos command, which is called a ms-dos command, which is md. md is a make a drive command which is used for creating directory. So we will see practically how we can create by using a ms-dos command prompt. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to see now how we can create directories. So for creating directory we have to make use of a md command, which is make a directory. So you can see that I'm currently in my d drives. Here you can see d drives, d colon backslash greater than sign. It specifies that we are in d drives. So we will creating one directory. So let's see. For that we have to type the command called md and give the your directory name whichever you want. So for now I am giving a command. Directory name is my command cmd. Okay, and just you have to press the enter. Yes, your directory has been created. So yeah, it is easy to create a directory. So we will see in graphical user interface whether it is created or not. For that we have to go to the my computer in their d drives. So here you remember that we have created the directory with cmd name, which is here created cmd, which is currently empty. So we have successfully created the directory by using a md command. It is not like not that you can create one directory, you can create another directory in that within a directory, like we create graphically. Okay, we have to go here, right click and new folder. Okay, and we give the name whatever you want. Okay, just leave it. So this is how we created by using graphical user interface. But in command prompt, if you want to create a directory or in general term called as folder, we have to make use of md command. So let's see. Once again we will creating. Okay, now type md and give the name whichever you want. Give demo or give the name called as xyz and press enter. Okay, so directory has been created. So just we will confirm that whether it is created or not. Yes, you can see here xyz directory has been created. Okay, so friends, this is by we are going coming to know that by using graphical user interface, if you want without entering into the graphical user interface, how we will come to know that whether directory has been created or not. So for that, I will just type a command cd and the directory name which you have given recently. So which you have given xyz, x what we have given the name xyz and press enter. Okay, so if by after the pressing enter, if the directory has been created, then it will give the path of the directory. Otherwise it will say that the directory is not created. So I will show you that example also. cd la 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 enter. So you can see the system cannot find the specified file. It means directory has been not created. But in case of xyz, it was not said that it has not given any message, means we have successfully created the directory. So this is what we are seeing for creating directory. The next is that how we can create a file. Okay, so we have seen md command for creating the file. Similarly, we have another command called copycon. By using of copycon command, we can create files. But friends, there is one limit or restrictions. By in command prompt, you can only create three types of files. Okay, like first type is a .txt, second is a doc file, which is word file, and third one is executable file, which is exe file. These three types of file only we can create in command prompt. So let's see we will see one by one. Okay, so first we will create the txt file. So see friend, we are creating file in xyz directory. So for creating file, just type command copy con and the file name which you want to create. So I want to create a file name called as a text file and give the extension txt. Here friend, this extension .txt, it specify that we are creating a text file .txt. This is the first type which we can create is a text file, and just press enter. Okay, so file has been created, and we can see that here little arrow is blinking, so it state that we have successfully created the file and file is ready to write anything. So you write whatever you want. Say hi, we have fully. Okay, we have written the content whatever we want, and now we want to save the file. For saving the file, we have to press either Ctrl Z or F7 key. Now I am pressing Ctrl Z and press enter. So you will be get one message, getting message saying that one file is copied, means success file has been successfully created and it has successfully written also. So this is what we have seen. Okay, how we can create the file. Okay, file has successfully created. So let's go to the graphical part and we will check that whether file has been created. We have created file in xyz directory. So here you can see friend, .txt file has been created, and we will see whether the content is written. Yes, here you can see we have written hi, we have successfully created the file, we have created file successfully. Okay, so this is one type of file which is .txt file. The next file is we can get is doc file, which is nothing but as word file. So see how we can get word file. For creating word file, we can similarly make use of this command also. In my previous video I have shown you how to use the shortcut keys for command. Okay, now we have to make use of same command, just we have to give the different extension. For that I am using a shortcut key which is up arrow, up button. Up button will show me the command which I have previously used, or either you can use F7 key. Here you can see the whatever command you have used. So now for creating file I have used a command called copy.txt, so I am using that command. Okay, so this is what we have for creating the files. Okay, control Z, enter, say yes. Okay, so now we want to create a doc file, so I am using my arrow button, up button, sorry, and just I am giving the different name. Same method for creating the doc file also. Type command copy con, enter, and say this is what doc file na. So I am giving the name is word file, word. Okay, and the extension is DOSC. See friend, the extension is very important while creating the file. Okay, what extension given for word file is DOC. This is just, then press enter. Similarly, we have to repeat the previous step which we have seen for .txt file. Write whatever you want. Here also we can use of my shortcut keys, which is up button. Here we have successfully created the file. Save the file, Ctrl Z, press enter. Successfully file has been created, and as you can see here the doc file has been arrived. So we will just open it with the help of doc file, and we can see. Sorry friends, in my operating system I think I have not installed Microsoft Office properly, so either it, yes, here you can see how we have created the file successfully, which is the doc file, which is second type of file. Now the third and final type of file is .exe file. So similar step we have to do. Okay, for reducing my work I am using my shortcut keys, which is up button. Okay, so I am in command called copycon, is a command for creating the file. And the third type of file is executable file, so I am giving the name it executable, and the extension for executable file is exe, and press enter. Similarly I can write here whatever, but and yes, I make use of shortcut keys. Okay, making and press enter. Successfully created. As you can see here, executable file is done. But yeah, because it is executable file, it cannot be run. So friends, in today's topic we have seen how we can create a files by using make using of md and copycon command one by one we have seen. So I think this tutorial will be helpful for you for creating the files. So have enjoyment with the command prompt, and it is very awesome tool which Microsoft has provided. So thank you for today's topic, and in next topic we will see. And friends, please don't forget to see my previous video of shortcut keys. I think you are the one you have seeing my video for first time, you might get confused that how I am getting this command directly. So for that, please watch my shortcut keys to videos. Okay, thank you for today's.